Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I thought I'd take you through a quick video of what I do in the afternoon / evening. My afternoons sort of consist of me working from home, which I do. I work from home. I'm just doing some basic data entry for, well, one, I'm helping my mom do some data entry for her business, and then I had to do my own work, and at the end I sent everything in, and that was the end of my work day. I finished around 4:30, and then it was time to take my puppy dog for a little walkie walk. I just packed away all of my work equipment, put my shoes on. You ready to go for a walk? Yeah, let's go for a walk! Yay! Let's go! She does get excited about the whole thing. It's very sweet. I'm putting her collar on. Little tail wag. Waggy tail. Happy dog. I love that TikTok. This is just her usual route. We do the same route every day. You know how hard it was to get her to cooperate with the camera work? Then I got back at around about 5. I was so thirsty after this. Decided to quickly make some spaghetti bolognese. While I was cooking, I decided to watch the new Pretty Little Liars Original Sin. It's actually pretty good considering I loved the original series. This series is not that bad. You've seen me cook on my channel quite a few times, so I'm just gonna speed through this. Because I work from home, my room can get pretty messy during the day because I'm in and out and I'm getting coffee and drinks and having snacks in my room, and it's the only issue with not having like a proper office. But I just prefer sitting on my bed and doing work, so while my food was simmering, I decided to quickly give my room a spritz. It doesn't get too bad, but I still can't function with it being messy at the end of the day, so I do like to give it a quick clean and remake my bed because I do sit on my bed while I work. I don't think I've really changed since uni. I still do that. Somehow I function and I watch TV while I do so. I think I'm just one of those people that I just can't work in silence. You'd let me know, can you work in silence, or do you prefer having something on in the background? Quickly gave my bathroom a spritz as well because it was meh, and it was all back to normal, which I was very happy about. And then it was time for dinner. I filled up my plate with my bowl with my spaghetti, and I have a lot of cheese, like a hell of a lot of cheese. I don't want to hear the comments saying that's too much cheese, but it's never enough cheese. I ate my spaghetti while I was watching the rest of the series. And then my mom decided to make some banana bread. It was so good. And then because it's summer, I did get changed into my bikini and we sat in the jacuzzi for a while because it's summer. I had a quick shower just to wash off the chlorine and the gunk and wash my face. And then it was time to do my skincare routine. You can find my full nighttime skincare routine in the description box, and I'll link it above as well, and it'll be on my channel if you would like to go and watch that. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you prefer to have a voiceover with just the original audio in the background, you know, with like the clicking and the bottle opening and all that, with a bit of music like really lightly in the background, or if you prefer just a normal with the music and a voiceover, or if you just prefer music. So yeah, do let me know in the comments. I put on some bio oil. Then it was time to put on some PJs and finish up the rest of the night. I refilled my water bottle with some ice and some water, and then I quickly brushed my teeth. And I used my fancy little aqua flosser that I got the other day, which I was so happy about. You don't understand. As an adult, you start to realize the little things that you start buying as an adult, and it makes you so excited. Like, I bought a vacuum cleaner quite a while ago, and I got so happy about it. Like, not a vacuum cleaner that everyone can use. No. A vacuum cleaner personally just for my bedroom. And then it was time to wrap up the evening at 8:30. I was exhausted, so I decided not to do some bedtime yoga. Just wanted to get into bed and sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was short. This is what I do in my summertime evenings. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you would like to, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye guys!